In this time I will show you how to make a beautiful Irish project. We are working on the front side of the project. We divide our work on some parts. We make a picture in real size, pin a painting on a mat, then do the flowers, crochet cords. After that, we will pin already elements and sew them together. The space between elements I will fill up with chaotic mesh. For work you need mat, painting on a paper, crochet hook, pins, flowers, 3 balls of yarn, round elements. We pin a painting on a mat that I made in real size. I pin elements to the painting. How to crochet such flower you can find in tutorial 141. Also, I will pin round elements. How to crochet such round elements you can find in tutorial 7 on our website at shiroknitting.com. Then I am making cord on the burden. Make yarn in the half 3 times. Burden is yarn in the half 3 times. The length of the cord you determine by pattern. Insert the hook into the chain. Take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain, and make single crochet around the burden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So keep working in this way till the end of the yarn. We have done the cords and pinned them. If you can see the second line, you should crochet trim for the cords. Then I sew them together in the places of contiguity. I sew the cord to the round elements. I sew in the form of the corner. Also, you should sew the cord to the flowers. I sew the cords together. Here, as you can see, I have already filled the place with chaotic mesh. How to crochet such mesh I show you now. Turn the work. I have already filled up a small place. Now we'll continue the work. Make a chains 1, 2, and double crochet into the chain space. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Remove the hook, insert it into the stitch of the cord, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the chain space. Chain of 2, remove the hook, insert it into the stitch of the cord, take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chains 1, 2, turn the work, fix this place, Insert the hook into the stitch of the cord, make a double crochet, turn the work, make a chain of 1, let's repeat again, 1, and double crochet into the stitch of the cord. Make a chain, turn the work, remove the hook, insert it into the stitch of the cord, take the working loop, pull it through. Let's repeat again. Make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, and double crochet into the chain space. Let's repeat again, and double crochet. Make a chain, remove the hook, insert it into the stitch of the cord, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain of 3, and single crochet into the chain space. Make some chains, make a chain, remove the hook, insert it into the cord, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chains 1, 2, and double crochet into the chain space. I fill it up the space, then I will make the second chaotic mesh of variegated yarn. Now I show you how to make this. I make some chains. Now join the bead. Remove the hook. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chains, 1, and double crochet into the chain space. Make a chain, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, and double crochet into the same chain space. And make double crochet 2 together. Make the first one, make the second one into the next chain space, and pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain of 2 and double crochet into the next chain space. Chain, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, 1, 2, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain of 3, remove the hook, insert it into the next chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, make a chain of 2, 1, 2, insert it into the next chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain. That's it. The work is finished. We can detach the project from the mat. We have already detached the project from the mat. I sew the beads to the center of the flower. Let's take a look at the back side. And the project is ready. With this video tutorial you have known how to make such amazing crocheted project in Irish lace technique. You can change the cord, the form of the leaves, also you can change chaotic mesh. Thanks for watching.